If you're trying to get high ticket clients and high ticket sales, the one thing you need to know is that you're probably not giving enough information away for free. If you're trying to get people to see you and know what you have to offer, you got to give away the good stuff for free. Because there's so many people giving away so much information out there. You just got to give away the good stuff that they're giving away paid, but you give it away for free. And if you do that, you stand out and people are interested, like, wow, this guy's free stuff is so good. What is this paid stuff like? But you give away all the information, all the how-tos, all the step-by-step processes. You give that away. And then what you charge for is your time by helping them. You coach them through the process. You help them implement the stuff you're teaching them. And you show them, this is how you do it specifically for you. I can help you with it. You pay me money for it because it's my time, because you're saving them time from having to figure out all the random stuff that's specific to them that they would have to take maybe months, maybe years of trial and error trying to figure out specifically how to do for them. But if you can save them that time, you can pay with your time, and that'll really cut down on their learning curve and the time horizon to which they make money or reach their goals, get that six-pack, or whatever it is they're working towards. So the next step for you, let's take these 3 action steps. The next 3 steps for you to take if you're trying to get high-ticket clients is step 1, create something that's really valuable that you're gonna give away for free. It is like if you were to make a course or a step-by-step guide about how to actually help them make money or actually get abs or actually improve their marriage and not get divorced, make that like you would charge $1,000 for it. Make it and then give it away completely for free. The next step after that is to tell people about it. Put it on your social media. Tell people, I have this thing, I could charge for it, but I'm not going to because I want to give it to you for free. And then step 3, you actually give it to people who ask for it. And then you follow up with them. And then you're like, hey, if you want help implementing this and customizing it specifically for you and what you're trying to do, I would love to help. Just pay me money for it. And that's how you have a high ticket client business, through coaching, or it's a done for you service. You give away the information and you sell the customization of that in their business, in their life, in their marriage, in their fitness routine. So if you want the world's fastest high ticket client course that I created for free, see what I'm doing? You can check it out in my school community in the link in the description, or don't, that's fine too. I'm not gonna force you, but I think it'll be really helpful.